Hello, this video is to guide you on how to create your 2-week temporary free access code for MyLab and Mastering. So over here at the top, you're going to see the tab that says MyLab and Mastering. You're going to go ahead and select that. When you select that, you're going to go ahead and select Open MyLab and Mastering. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then from here, it's going to say sign in with your Pearson account or create a Pearson account. Now, if you don't already have an account, then you can create one. When you create one, what you'll be able to do is then have your email address, put in your username, create a password, make sure you save your password, your first name, and then a security, and then agree to those terms. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put in so it's asking me that I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to sign in. So now these are the three options that you have. You have an access code, one of the cost. You're not doing any of these. You're not paying for any of these for this prep course. So in this scenario, all you're going to do is come down here to the bottom where it says waiting for financial aid, and you're going to select get temporary access without payment for 14 days. I repeat, that's what you need to do for this. So do not take any of these options. Just please take the option of get temporary access without payment for 14 days. So you're going to go ahead and select that, and it says, are you sure you want a temporary access for this? You're going to say yes. And then at this point, what it's doing is it's now registering you into the course itself. So it might take a little few minutes for you to be able to enter in. And so now it states that your registration is being processed. And it says here that you'll be notified by email when your registration is complete. And therefore, there's your course. So now, at this point, when you're finished, you can complete that, and then you'll be done. Okay, so now that your registration is complete, you can go back to the tab where it says MyLab and Mastering. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select Open MyLab and Mastering from here. So now, from now on, I can now access MyLab and Mastering through this tab. So when I select that, and I open this up, it's going to get me directly to the course. So once I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and go to Assignments. And this is going to be where all the assignments are for the course. And then below that, you will see e-text contents. So if you select that, it's going to show each particular chapter, the chapter opener. So if you want to view the textbook, then you would just select chapter opener. Let me go ahead and do that. Now, as this is opening up, the browser check is working. So if it's not doing that, if it's saying that you need an access code, that means your browser needs updated for this to be able to work. So make sure that you're checking your browser in order for that to work. And so then from here, you're able to access the textbook. So if you want, you can go over to your left and you can see all the contents that are available for the textbook. So again, going back to the MyMathLab, you're going to see going to the main menu, you have your assignments, you have your e-text contents. You have another video and resource library. You can go here to check some videos of any of the previous assignments or any assignments that are there. We also have what we call StatCrunch. We'll be going over that in the course. And that concludes at least the mini introduction on MyLab. So now if I go back to Canvas, again, this is where your assignments will be located. And so that will conclude this video.